TechnoHealth Solutions, a fictitious, mid-sized tech company that builds software for hospitals, has identified a critical issue facing healthcare professionals: information overload and outdated knowledge. Picture this: doctors spending hours buried in research instead of treating patients, nurses struggling to keep up with thousands of new medical studies published every week, patients receiving inconsistent care because their providers can't access the latest information, the constant fear of medical errors due to outdated knowledge. It's a healthcare nightmare, and it is happening right now in hospitals around the world. The failed solutions. TechnoHealth Solutions first thought, let's just build a better search engine, but they quickly realized that would only add to the problem. Doctors don't have time to sift through endless documents. They then considered an AI chatbot, but two major roadblocks appeared: the risk of AI hallucinations, making up false medical information. The sheer volume of medical data exceeded what current AI systems could handle. Finally, TechnoHealth Solutions developed MediAssist AI, a system that leverages Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, to address these challenges. Here's how RAG solved the problem. Let's understand what is RAG. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, is a cutting-edge approach that tackles the limitations of LLMs by merging two powerful techniques: information retrieval and text generation. Here's how it works. When a user asks a question or provides a prompt, RAG first retrieves relevant passages from a vast knowledge base. The knowledge base could be the internet, a company's internal documents, or any other source of text data. The retrieved passages are then used to augment the LLM's knowledge. This can involve various techniques such as summarizing or encoding the key information. Finally, the LLM leverages its understanding of language along with the augmented information to generate a response. Why RAG? RAG strengthens LLMs by connecting them to external sources of information like databases or live feeds. This ensures that their responses are based on real-world facts rather than relying solely on what they were trained on. General purpose LLMs are like jack of all trades. They know a bit about everything but aren't experts in any field. With RAG, you can integrate specific knowledge bases, allowing the AI to answer highly specialized questions. LLMs sometimes make up information that sounds convincing but isn't true. RAG reduces this risk by providing the AI with reliable sources to back up its claims, leading to more trustworthy responses. LLMs trained on older data can quickly become outdated. RAG solves this by giving AI access to up-to-date sources, so it can always provide current information. Here's how TechnoHealth Solutions built their RAG solution to make their AI smarter, faster, and more reliable. Building an indexing pipeline. The first step was to organize and process their data. TechnoHealth consolidated all their data sources, from medical reports to research papers. They then processed the documents by breaking them down to smaller manageable chunks, passed these chunks through an embedding model which turned them into vector representations or embeddings. Finally, they stored all these embeddings in a vector database. Think of this as a specialized storage space for these mathematical text chunks. Building the retrieval system. When a user asks a question, TechnoHealth's retrieval system goes to work. It first converts the user's question into an embedding, just like they did with the documents. Then it compares this question embedding to all the text chunks stored in the vector database to find the most similar chunk. Step 3. Augmenting the LLM. Now comes the magic of augmenting the LLM's knowledge. The system crafts a prompt that includes instructions for the LLM, the user's question, the most relevant document retrieved from the database. This carefully crafted prompt tells the LLM how to use the data to generate a better response. Step 4. Generating the response. Finally, the crafted prompt is sent to the LLM. The LLM uses the instructions and the context to generate a complete, informed response to the user's query. The response is sent back to the user, which is more accurate and grounded in real-world data than if the LLM had answered from its general knowledge alone. By combining indexing, retrieval, augmentation, and generation, TechnoHealth Solutions built a RAG system that ensures every answer their AI provides is based on real up-to-date knowledge. This is part 1 of the RAG series. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.